Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your Finch pet for the first time. After creating a Finch account, the next step is to set up your Finch pet. Finch is a virtual bird that grows and thrives as you complete CareCare activities. Setting up properly ensures you get the most out of the app and enjoy the full experience of tracking your wellness journey. So first you need to open to the app and make sure you have signed up Finch pet as a part on the onboarding process. So first, give your Finch pet a name. This can be anything you like. Choose a name that makes the experience personal and fun. To do that, in the bottom right there's a pickle icon. Select the pickle icon, and over here once you reach into this profile dashboard, in the top right there we can see there's a pencil icon. Select the pencil icon there. Over here you can select the change name, and over here you can simply change the pet name. And after you're done with the selecting the pet name, select done, and your pet name is saved. And that is it. Your Finch pet is set up and ready to go from here, and it has been set it up, and you can start completing self-care activities and watch your virtual pet thrive as you care for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.